At least 13 patients have died from coronavirus over 24 hours at a New York hospital. At least 13 patients have died from COVID-19 at Elmhurst Hospital in New York, a statement from a spokesman said, as one of the hardest-hit states sees a surge in cases. The deaths of the patients took place over the last 24 hours, but NYC Health and Hospitals Elmhurst said in a statement that number is consistent with the number of intensive care unit patients being treated there. Staff are doing everything in our power to save every person who contracts COVID-19, the statement said. New York has more than 30,000 of the nation's more than 65,000 coronavirus cases, and 285 of its residents have died from the virus. The state has called for tens of thousands more ventilators, hospital beds and intensive care beds to meet the needs of their hospitals. Elmhurst is at the center of the crisis, the statement said, and staff is working to overcome the overwhelming numbers. The frontline staff are going above and beyond in this crisis, and we continue surging supplies and personnel to this critical facility to keep pace with the crisis, the statement said. We are literally increasing the effective capacity of the hospital on a daily basis by sending more doctors, nurses, ventilators and PPE to meet demand. New York has ordered residents to stay at home to curb the spread of the virus and hopefully ease pressures on healthcare systems. And though Governor Andrew Cuomo pointed to Westchester County, home to the state's first severe outbreak in New Rochelle, as a marker for the effectiveness of social distancing, cases continue to climb. Estimates from Sunday showed coronavirus hospitalizations were doubling every 2 days, he said. But Monday's estimates showed hospitalizations were doubling every 3.4 days, and Tuesday's estimates showed hospitalizations were doubling every 4.7 days. Cuomo warned that the rest of the nation could see numbers like those in his state. Where we are today, you will be in 3 weeks or 4 weeks or 5 weeks or 6 weeks, he said. What we do here will chart the course. CNN's Eric Levinson, Elizabeth Jaspa and Lynn Tran contributed to this report. Click subscribe to receive the latest news.